Check out this sleek menu hover effect, smooth gradient, floating links, and perfect spacing, all with CSS. Title: DevFix Menu Hover Effects. Inside the body, add a NAV element. Inside it, create 4 links: Home, About, Services, and Contact. Each link uses an anchor tag for navigation. Keep the structure simple and clean. This setup allows us to apply hover effects using CSS. Finally, link your HTML to the CSS file in the head. We start with the body. Set a diagonal linear gradient background. Use Arial font and make it a flex container. Center everything horizontally and vertically with justify content and align items. Set the minimum height to 100 VH and remove default margins. Next, the NAV bar. Use flex display with a 20 pixel gap between links. Set a white background. Add padding of 20 by 30 pixels. And round the corners with a 50 pixel border radius. Add a subtle shadow for depth. Now the links. Set the text color to dark gray. Remove underline. Add padding and a 30 pixel border radius and make the font bold. Use a smooth transition for all changes over 0.3 seconds. Finally, the hover effect. Change the background to the same gradient. Text color to white and slightly lift the link with translate Y -3 pixels. Add a soft shadow for a floating effect. If this helped you, like and subscribe to DevFix for more quick CSS fixes. See you in the next one.